Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to delete last 30 minutes of Google history. So to start, go ahead and open Google Chrome on your PC. So what you need to do next is to click your profile icon at the top right. So here you'll see delete last 30 minutes. But sometimes it doesn't appear in the first time you open the browser. So what you need to do is open another tab and go to google.com. And once you do that, click your profile at the top right. Then scroll down, and here you'll see search history. And below that, you'll see delete last 30 minutes. So once you click that, it will delete all your history from the last 30 minutes. So just click that. So as you can see, it's now deleting and it's done. So that's basically it. Very, very simple. So again, click your profile and just delete last 30 minutes. So just click delete last 30 minutes. You can also click search history right here and you can scroll down and click this delete option or button in here. And you can click delete today, delete custom range, delete all time, or auto delete. If you scroll down here, you can also see the calendar icon. So you can choose to show history older than, so choose the date and just click on OK and click on apply, and it will be shown down here. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.